Hey there everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you how to do the Hatchet Man Griptape Art stencil. So first thing, you need your stencil all cut out, place it on the grip tape or wherever you're going to be doing your artwork on, and then you're going to be spraying it red. Well, I decided to spray it red because that's like Hatchet Man, psychopathic color, red, and this is actually the symbol from the Sinclair posse. If you guys didn't know, Shaggy 2 Dope was actually the creator of this symbol, the logo. So let's check it out. Yeah, Hatchet Man, whoop whoop. So now you can actually take a black marker, take your time and outline it, and what this is going to do is actually make the image pop. So that makes the image pop, and here we have it, all completely finished. That looks amazing. Wow. Thanks for watching, everyone. You guys know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up for a like, comment down below, and please subscribe. Whoop whoop, everyone. And you guys can do this yourself. You just gotta take your time, draw up the design, cut it out, and spray it out. Good luck, everyone. Peace out.